Greetings from Indonesia. Today you are part of the witness and probably will become the next perpetrator of new history for the words of economic civilization and also for your country. Please introduce myself. My name is Dr. Agus Triatmoko. I am from the University of Surakarta, Indonesia. I have presented the economic thinking from the words in September 2018, which is called as Murakabi economics, or in English as Murakabism economics. And the most recently, the Murakabi economic literature has been published in various versions of national language for certain countries in Europe, Latin America, Africa, and also Asia. In this case, using Portuguese, Spanish, French, Dutch, German, Italian, Russian, and Polish. It is an honor for me to able to present my Murakabi economic study in this excellent conference forum. Here, I would like to say my gratitude to committee and organizer, as well as those of you who are willing to listen to and pay attention to the economic presentation of Murakabi. In this form, I would also like to express my concern on the social and economic situation of the world, which is experiencing serious problem due to the situation of this coronavirus pandemic. And the foregoing phenomena, many experts in economics have predicted that this year, in the year of 2020, the world will be experiencing an economic crisis. And today, prediction has become a reality, and it is happening in various countries which are getting worse due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. In the fact, it is too difficult for us to analyze the real causes historically at end, since the COVID-19 pandemic has significant implications for the economic and business activity, both national and globally. In Indonesia, I state many perspectives to the public that the Murakabi economic system should be implemented during crises like today. In this day, it is the best momentum to be able to communicate to scientists from around the world about the theoretical study of the Murakabi economic system or the Murakab economy. The background of the development of the economy Murakabism is gap between socio-economic marginal communities with the elite of big or giant business actor, developing countries or underdeveloped countries with the developed countries and large economic power. Unconsciously, the accumulation of the national and global economic development often creates certain social political conditions, such as the unharmonious relationship between society and the state government, a region with the central government, workers with the government of their country and company, a weak country with a strong state, a strong country with its own strong state, or other specific example that we can identify. This happened since the economic liberalization was not controlled. Then, in this case, the economic and business competition rests on the strength of capitalism. In the economic development context, the position of society is the object of economic development, not the subject of the economic. On the other hand, a certain point in time, the national and global market liberalism will make it difficult for the economic industrialists themselves. With this, we can learn from every case on economic crisis, such as seasonal events that occur sooner or later in various countries. Thus, they systematically impact on country with another. The economic development increases the supply of freely competitive products, while the market on the commodity has limited purchasing power. Then, a supply and market competition always has an impact on competition between the economic superpower. In short, it is at this point that the economic competition tension create political tension between countries in the vortex of this competition. The Murakami economic system is presented as a solution to deal with the economic problem of countries. The economic conception of Murakami is about how the state manages to provide opportunity for their people to own share in large company in the country. For this purpose, a new method or system is needed in regulation the national economic of a country in the current global arena. We can even call it new civilization. Thus, the presence of the Murakami economic knowledge first raises the time which is toward the welfare of the people and world peace. Based on our paper contact, as seen in the abstract, the focus is on the role of Indonesia state-owned enterprise and regional-owned enterprise in the economic system. So, for it has been given the term Indonesia Raya Incorporated. The conception of Indonesia Raya Incorporated is to encourage the state-owned company share to be owned by the local government. It is also for the regional-owned enterprise in order that this also can be owned by the central government. Furthermore, in this development, it is recommended that the private sector and the public sector may also have the opportunity to own share in the company state. So far, the idea has not been implemented by Indonesian government. However, the constitutional economy has actually provided that opportunity for the Indonesian government to do so. The results of the study are expected to give contribution to the conception of Indonesia Raya Incorporated, which describe its perspective of the economic development and state asset management in the Murakami economic system. The Murakami terminology such as given profit, sustenance, advantages, for example, the whole knowledge of Murakami for the whole community. Murakami is a diet state, compounds, mix. Thus, in the economic order context, it is described as Murakami economic system or Murakami. The social philosophy can be explained as the life of fellow humans. It means sharing love in the form of good from someone whose situation is abundant with blessing to other without differentiating between another. The distributor of the good does not feel that they have lost their big fortune, and for the recipient, they feel that they have received a share of the gift. Thus, the paradigm of the economy Murakapism is the multiple effect of the economic activity of every business actor that is abundant and equitable and also equitable and fair, or Murakabi, for the big and the small mutually grow and develop in harmony or balance. The grand vision of a Murakab economy is the creation of harmonious prosperity and justice for the people, as well as common prosperity and peace for all elements of the nation. The economic Murakabism has characteristic of kinship, work together or togetherness, Javanese called gotong royong, and mutual cooperation, populace, empowerment, productivity, as well as economic independence. The economic system of Murakabi is the theory of government is based on the agency theory and stakeholder theory. Thus, the two theories also become a framework for the thinking for corporation. The operationalization of the state government management in the existence of government rules and policy throughout the constitutional economy. Thus, inform a government system is the national economy with a theory of state asset management. National systemic are linked in the form of cooperation between countries, thus synergizing with the acceleration of the global economy. The concept of corporate share ownership with the Murakab business system is to place the position of large capital owner in the ring on the portion of 20% of the share of the company, and 80% of the share belong to their wider community, including the central and regional government. In this case, of the cooperation in the form of state-owned enterprise, 20% is included in the government, then 80% is the public or private company. The 80% public share ownership mechanism party contain, for example, 10% is share that can be traded on the stock exchange. The Murakabi Corporation theoretical formula is minor shareholder as majority and major shareholder as minority. Thus, placing the major shareholder as the leadership of management, even though in total is a minority. In this case, then in the end, it will form integration and unity in an integrated manner between state-owned corporation group with private cooperation, national and national private companies, large companies with micro, small, and medium enterprise, and the general public. Thus, the theoretical, economic, and corporate Murakabi implies creating a balance between supply and the market. The result of the study identified and described potential natural resources and strategic economic resources, the role of and function of state enterprise, and the role and function of government, which are important factors that determine the economic strata of population of a country. These findings are pragmatically in the field of government science, called as public governance and management, which is closely related to state companies with its corporate governance and management. The conclusion of this economic study is that the economic strata of the population of a country is determined by the role and function of the state company through government policy on the management of natural resources and the strategic economy resources. Each country is recommended to build an economic system by providing opportunity for the public to own share in any large corporation whose business is based on the natural resources economies and strategic economies. It also means that every country has strategic economic resources, even though natural resources are very limited. For example, the population is a strategic economic resources since they are part of the target market of an industry. It is expected the paper I present will be later to publish in the journal so that later on academics can do it comprehensively. A brief of description the economic of Murakabi as well as a description of the economy of Murakabi. I expect that the Murakabi model and practices have worked in some your countries, even though the formulation may not be exactly the same as the Murakabi corporation concept. For example, a cooperative business unit or union is actually an implementation of the Murakabi economics since several centuries past. In this case, in the area of economic globalization, it's better if the cooperative is transformed into the cooperation. Thus, the ownership of share by the people become a value of securities and can be passed down from generation to their family generation. The role of scientists through a study and research is expected to be able to develop the Murakabi economics knowledge until in the end, its opening and intention, motivation and awareness to the leader of countries to build a Murakabi economic system. For the welfare is people, for the economic sovereignty of the country, for harmonized relationship between countries, and for the creation of the world peace. I am also grateful for those of you who want to discuss directly with me, then welcome to communicate to the organizer of this conference. Thank you. Surakarta, September 12, 20, and Dr. Rodericus Agus Triatmoko.